there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bliss. I decided to stop in and let you guys get a look at my 3-week-old locks. So after 3 weeks, this is what I got. A whole lot of dandruff, itchy scalp, and it's just time for me to do my wash day. So this is what it looks like, my little micro locks. I started my micro locks with twists, so after about 3 weeks your hair still look like mini twists instead of locks. The twists are still very much so defined. So I'm just going in and grabbing sections as I show off my hair, preparing it just for wash day. These are baby locks and I do not want them to unravel, so this is why I twist lump sum of locks into one big twist, and then I go in with the rubber band at the ends to kind of keep the twist in place or keep them from unraveling. Here's the side. As you guys can see, my tapered sides are truly growing. I think it's been about a year since I've last, or a little over a year, maybe 14-15 months or more, since I've last tapered my hair. So I'm definitely trying to grow my hair out, and it is growing. Again, you can see some dandruff here. As you guys know, I suffer with dandruff really bad, so it's very important that I try to keep my scalp as moisturized as possible. So I kind of showed you guys the back of my hair. The back is also growing as well. That too was shaved down very low, so I've come a long way since I've last had my hair cut very short, and I hope that I don't have to cut my hair again ever. Okay, so same process. I'm going in and I am just putting rubber bands at the tail end of my hair. By the way, if you're new here, I'm so glad that you decided to stop by, and I am appreciative that you're following me along my lock love story. Okay, so I have finished up with everything. I know I look like a fool right now, but it's all good. I'm going to go in with one of my favorite shampoos, and this is the Acure Curiously shampoo. And I'm just going to go in and apply it directly to my scalp. Nothing special. I'm not going to go into any great details about the shampoo. I just really wanted to stop by and give you guys my 3-week update, and just so you guys can see what baby locks look like after about 3 weeks. So I'm just going to clarify the scalp, and that is about it. Thank you guys for stepping in and checking out this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.